So now we're going to assemble a gable wall end panel. So with all the sheets laid out, we're going to begin the process. Lay out your wall sheets and overlap the ribs, ensuring that the top and bottom of your sheets are all flush. Secure with screws through the overlapping ribs, evenly spaced along the length of the sheets. So now we're going to fit the bottom channel. It's easy, just suspend it out here, clip it on that first one, and just using your thumb, move along, clipping them into spot. They should stay there, and they'll just all go into place as you move along. So the trick to getting the bottom channel correct, flush the end and screw it in the second rib. So with one end secured off, come to this end and check for creepage. Sometimes you might have to just adjust that in or out. Once you're happy with there, and then screw off in the second rib. So just go along and screw off every second rib once you're set. So following on from the bottom channel, position the top channels. Don't screw them off yet, because what we're going to do next is affix the gusset. So the gusset plate goes between the channel and the sheets. So just simply slip that under the sheet there, and it'll slide in and make sure everything's even. So with the top channel and the gusset in place, go down, flush the ends, and start screwing off from the second rib from the edge. So there's a couple of additional screws you need to put in. 3 along here, 1 either side of the apex. Another one here, and finish off with these 3. And there it's all done. Easy.